Swadika, welcome to Som Thai Cooking. Today I'm gonna cook spicy chim paste dip. You're gonna love it. They call them Prik Kapi in Thailand. So beautiful. Just start to cook. The ingredient for spicy chim paste dip is have chili, garlic, lemon, palm sugar, fish sauce, and peas eggplant and water. If you not have peas eggplant, not necessary to add it in because sometimes it's hard to find if you not live in Thailand. First thing we start to grill the chim paste. I add 2 tablespoons in the foil and we wrap together on top of the pan. And the heat is just in the middle heat and we just grill for 5 minutes. Because if we grill the chim paste, gonna make the taste quite softer and not just smell fishy like chim paste. It's Thai they call kapi. And then we deep fry mackerel fish. While we're waiting for the fish, we're gonna cook chim paste. I got the chili here, so we're gonna add it in. Garlic, it's a powdering, and you see chili powdering already. I add chim paste in about 2 tablespoons and mix together, and then I add 2 tablespoons of the white sugar. I bought palm sugar just brown like this. Actually we put about 3 tablespoons bit hard, just add in all, and we try to powdering together until they the same mixing together. Then we just add about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 100 milliliters of water, and I add lemon in about 3 tablespoons also, and I add peas eggplant in and just mix together, and then we ready to eat. I got the trick to show you how I boiling the veggie and still fresh. I add little bit sauce in the boiling water and add the veggie in until they cook and we take it out. The veggie is still fresh. I'm gonna try some. Oh, I can't wait to eat. My mouth is watering. I got carrot. I'm gonna dip it in with the sauce. And you see it? Oh, I dropped it. Let's do this one. Wow. Absolutely. Beautiful. The spicy, the sweet, and the salty just go together. Thank you for watching my video. See you next clip. If you like, please subscribe for me. Bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ